Thank you, Stephanie, for that wonderful experiment. So now we'll be exploring what happened in the experiment with some explanations.
You'll notice that the oil separates from the water. This concept is called phase separation. The oil is less dense and lighter, so it rises to the top. The water is denser and heavier, so it goes to the bottom of the jar.
One other thing you will notice is that the food coloring also sinks through the oil to the bottom of the jar.
The reason is because the food coloring contains water molecules, which doesn't mix with oil. But as soon as it gets to the water layer, it mixes with the water layer.
The concept of the food coloring not mixing with oil but mixing with water is called hydrophilicity or hydrophobicity. Hydrophilicity is when a particular material likes water and mixes with it, whereas hydrophobicity is when a particular material doesn't like water and doesn't mix with it. One other thing you'll notice is that when we added the Alka-Seltzer, there was an exciting reaction that happened. The Alka-Seltzer creates gas bubbles. These gas bubbles trap water in it. And as it traps water in it, it rises through the oil to the top. When it gets to the top of the oil, the gas bubbles pop and the water sinks back. Before we end for today, let's go over some of the vocabulary words we have used. Hydrophilic. Hydrophilic is having a tendency to mix with, dissolving, or be wetted by water. Hydrophobic. Hydrophobic is having a tendency to repel or fail to mix with water. The oil we use is hydrophobic. Phase. Phase is a distinct and homogeneous form of matter. It can be a particular solid, liquid, or gas, separated by its surface from other forms. Density. Density is the degree of consistency measured by the quantity of mass per unit volume. That was an exciting experiment. Thank you very much, guys, for doing the experiment with us. I hope you guys learned something. Stay tuned for more exciting experiments in the next video. Before we meet again, stay safe.